Hello, my name is Adam and I'm from Morocco. I'm new to Forex market since I began to be interested in for only a few months ago. I took an online course on Udemy. I watched many videos on YouTube and I even bought a book on technical analysis. But still I couldn't develop a proper strategy and feel comfortable about placing trades even in a demo account. But then I encountered Forex Trading for Beginners by Mr. Saad Ali, and while I was seeking for groups on Facebook and hoping to find a useful one, and that was the case, I finally found it, and I'm very grateful for that because Mr. Saad Ali is just an amazing instructor. He guided me step by step into my Forex journey and provided me with all what I need to be a successful, profitable, consistent trader in the long run. I learned about Forex market, chart analysis, including how to identify market structure and predicting where and when it could break, known as BOS or break of structure. I also learned about support and resistance levels and how to draw them in such an efficient and objective way. I learned about trend lines, channels, chart patterns, candlestick patterns, Fibonacci retracement, risk management, and much more. In addition to that, Mr. Ali offered us a student discount on TradingView and guided us into how to manipulate this platform like a pro. And finally, I couldn't thank him enough for providing us a whole student private group on Facebook and insisting on posting our charts in order to so that we could learn from our mistakes properly and therefore flattening our learning curve for free. And for all of that, I am very thankful, and may God bless you, Mr. Saad Ali.